Hey y'all, it's Fortune Frankly and welcome to Fortune Frankly Fridays, where we do DIY home stuff. I'm going to say stuff instead of decor because I realized a lot of my things are not actually decor. They're just like stuff. Yeah. Today we're making 3 DIYs for Valentine's Day. Why did I say it like that? Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Now Valentine's Day brings quite a couple of things. It brings us those nasty ass chocolates with stuff inside, all that gooey stuff, like ew. Cochino. It brings us a bunch of ads on Instagram from Savage Fenty. I'm saving my money. Rihanna, please. Little disclaimer here that all of these projects are heart-shaped for some reason. But you know what? It's Valentine's Day. Like, what else are you gonna do? Now, let's get started. For this first project, we're going to be making a resin heart-shaped box. I am aware that resin is a little expensive, you know. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. However, you don't need that much resin for this project. For this project, you'll need a heart-shaped box silicone mold, resin, some things to go inside your resin, you know, to jazz it up a little bit, give it some flavor, and a lighter, or maybe a blowtorch, you know, flamethrower, whatever floats your boat. Starting with our resin, I'm going to measure out part A and part B in each cup. The ratio is 1:1, so pretty simple. I put about 30 milliliters of part A and 30 of part B, and then mix them together in this little cup to create my resin mixture. Mix that chocolate, bate, chocolate. Now I'm just gonna put some things in my resin to give it, you know, some flavor, like I said already. I found these little heart shapes at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put some of the smaller ones in there, and also putting some red and pink glitter. You don't want to see too much of it, that it overpowers like the clearness of the resin. So, you know, just take it easy. Like G-Easy. Does he take it easy? I don't know. Now I'm gonna attempt to remove some of the air bubbles from this resin, and I'm gonna use a lighter to do that, kind of rolling it around in the cup. And I'm just gonna pour my resin into the mold. Now you will still see some air bubbles here. It's kind of inevitable. I'm gonna go back in with my lighter. There may still be some within the mold that we don't have access to, but it is what it is. I left the resin in the mold for 24 hours. You can leave it in the mold for up to 72 hours just to make sure that it's really solid. Then after that, you can take it out of the mold and you'll have your very own heart-shaped little container with a lid. And here's how it turned out. For project numero 2, we're going to be making a wall hanging. I was kind of inspired by this wreath kind of thing that I saw at Target. Super cute, you know, but a little expensive. So I decided to put that back on the shelf where it belongs and make something that had a similar vibe. For this project, you'll need a heart, nautical rope, and a glue gun. Starting with the heart, we're going to be gluing this nautical rope all around the heart. And I'm just going to remove the tape that's keeping it together at the ends and glue them so that they stay together, you know. And I'm going to start at the top of the heart, just gluing it around the edge. Now if you're observant and your Dollar Tree does have this, you may notice that there's 2 versions of this rope. One of them is thinner in diameter and the other one is thicker. So just be aware of which ones you're picking up and make sure that you use the same one throughout so you have a consistent heart. Once you're finishing, you'll notice that some parts need some extra rope, other parts don't. You can just cut and paste wherever you see fit. So that little dang-a-lang thing in the middle, so we're just gonna glue it up to the top. And And I didn't like how that ribbon was looking at the top. I thought it looked like a fake red, you know? It's like too red. So I toned it down a little bit. I glued it to the back of the heart just so I didn't have to cut it and do more work. And I glued a faux leather ribbon to the top in this beautiful burgundy color. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. For project number 3, we're going to be making a heart-shaped candle. Ooh, you know, this is like a perfect opportunity to do those Disney wand things. Oh my god, yeah. For this project, you'll need this heart-shaped glass container, 3 candle wicks, 2 large candles, dried rose petals, and something to scent your candle. I'm using these fragrance sachets, but you can use essential oils. Starting with our glass candle, I'm just going to put in the candle wicks. I got these candle wicks on Amazon and they come with a little thing that you can use to glue to the bottom. And I'm going to use these wooden sticks to hold them in place and tape them down to the sides. Now I'm going to take a red and white candle and a measuring cup. Super important. You'll need this. Trust me, you don't want candle wax everywhere. Been there, done that. Not in a kinky way. I spilled candle wax on myself one day. I thought it would burn me, but it actually didn't hurt at all. So, you know, if you've been thinking about it, you can go ahead and try it. And all we're going to do is melt these candles down. And I left them in there for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna pour the melted candles into this mixing cup with a spout. Very, very important. I added my roses and my scent and I just let it dry overnight. Once it was dry, I removed the wooden sticks and cut the candles down to size. And there you have it. Wake up and smell the roses. Alright, welcome back. My favorite project from this video was that wall hanging. I thought it was really cute, super simple to do, very quick. Mira que cute! But I'm curious to know, what was your favorite project? If you're feeling lucky, you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And if you're not feeling lucky, I'm so sorry, but I hope to see you again in the near future. You know, fortune, future. And with that, thanks for watching.